Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're baking a whipped lemon shortbread. It's whipped because we're going to mix some butter with some sugar and get that all nice and whipped and add that into the flour. The special ingredient in this flour is masa harina, which is a special type of corn flour. So look for masa harina in your supermarket versus a corn flour because they are a little bit different. And if you want me to get into the science about it, let me know. Happy to do that. Of course, I was inspired by this song. They've got a way about them. I do know what it is. It's corn and sugar and the lemon. Oh yeah, lemon zest is in here too. First things first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get your cookie sheets ready to go. Either grease them up or put down some parchment paper. Masa harina, all-purpose flour, whisked together, butter, confectioner sugar, salt, lemon zest, beat together. Now that it's gotten nice and whipped after about 5 minutes, add in your vanilla. Stir gently to combine. Add in your dry ingredients. Stir just to combine so we don't get that cloud of flour. Using a tablespoon scoop, you go ahead and scoop out some of the dough and put it in our hands. We're gonna roll it. We're gonna roll in the sugar that we have here. Place it on our cookie sheet. Use a fork to lightly flatten the top of each cookie so it'll have that nice imprint. Into the oven for 12 to 16 minutes until the edges are slightly brown. Time's up. It's been about 15 minutes and they are looking good. Just starting to get a little brown on the edges. Take them out, let them cool on the cookie sheet. Look at this fantastic whipped lemon shortbread cookie. Baked nicely. It's got those nice ridges in it. I wasn't quite too sure what that would look like, but I'm quite pleased. It smells great, definitely like a buttery shortbread cookie, but as I like to say, it's all in the taste. Let's give it a bite. This cookie was described as melt in your mouth, and that is very, very true. It definitely crumbles softly in your mouth and has a rich, buttery, lemony flavor, and you do taste a little bit of that masa harina coming through, that corn flour taste just a little bit. This is a delicious, easy to make shortbread cookie, maybe even could be a new Christmas cookie. I'm just saying, delicious. If I can make these whipped lemon shortbread cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. If you've seen any products that I've used during this baking, feel free to check out my Amazon storefront. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more, like really a whole lot.